Yes, sir. What's up, boys? So I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be discussing a brush technique and a tip for brushing to improve your progress with your waves. So the other day I was brushing my waves, and I've been doing waves for like 2 or 3 weeks now, not very long. And I was noticing that I was having a little problem with the progress of my waves. I wasn't seeing much progress, and I would be brushing every day, and then I changed one thing and I saw way more progress than I'd seen in the past few weeks than I've been working on them. So what the tip I'm going to give you in regards to brushing is, so I have this brush right here. I don't really use it anymore. This was when I was first starting out. This like brush, it's kind of like, you can see the hairs are kind of erratic and shit. It's not the best, so I got a new brush. This was the brush I was first using when I first started out. So the tip I'm going to discuss today and the technique is, when you're brushing your hair, so when you brush, right, you're going to be brushing down like this. You might have the tendency to brush and put a lot of forward pressure, downwards pressure at the front of the brush like this. So you're going to be putting a lot of pressure with the front of the brush. What you want to do, if you want to improve your waves and get better connections, better depth and all that shit, is you want to put pressure on the back of the brush. So when you're brushing your hair, I don't really want to put this brush on my hair because I already did my brush session this morning, and this brush is not as good as the brushes I've been using. So when you brush your hair, you want to put pressure on the back. So you brush forward and you press down at the back. So you're pretty much, you don't even really need to use the front of the brush. You can, but the main focus is just putting that pressure on the back, because the back of the brush, if you put downwards pressure in the front of the brush, all your brushing is going to be perfect, right? It's going to look good going in, but because of the back bristles, you're not focusing on the back. The work that you're putting in on the front is getting fucked up right away by the back bristles. So it's like you're mowing your lawn and someone's coming behind you and mowing, but they're kind of swaying a little bit. You just want to mow your lawn and get that work. You don't want to mow your lawn and then have something dragging behind you kind of fucking it up. You know what I mean? So put backwards pressure, put pressure from the back of the brush when you're brushing, and you'll see way more progress on your waves, all right? And get a good brush. This brush is fucking shit. I just bought like 3 new brushes, way better. I got a Bow Wow brush, I got a fucking red brush, I got a fucking wavy brush. The wavy medium brush, the like little hand one, is really dope. That was the one that I put in most of my work with. So yeah, so to wrap it up, guys, the tip is put downwards pressure at the back of the brush instead of the front of the brush. Not the front, work from the back, because those are the bristles that are going to make contact with your hair last. You're going to see way better progress, way more improvement with your waves, all right? So make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. All right, have a good day. Peace.